Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session with Accelerate. Okay, so today on Excel with Accelerate, we'll be looking at the right function and how to use the right function. Remember, last week we looked at the left function. Okay, so we saw how we could use the left function to extract characters, particular number of characters from a text string. So today we will be looking at how to use the right function to extract a particular number of text strings from the right hand side of a text. Okay, so we have the same data set of movie titles and how they were shot, be it colored or in black and white. Okay, so in cell D6, we will be looking at how to extract from Poorhouse. So Over the Hill to the Poorhouse is the movie title in cell B6. So all we want to pick out will be Poorhouse. Remember, when we looked at left, we looked at how to extract over the hill. So in this particular one, we want to extract Poorhouse. Do not forget that the space in between words, the space in between characters, like you have the and Powerhouse, the space here is regarded as a character in itself. Okay, so Powerhouse is a 9 letter word. If we say we would pick 10 characters from um cell B6, what it will show us is the space, then Powerhouse. So let's get down to practicals. Okay, say equal to right, this is text we want to pick, and a number of characters, 10. See that it keeps that there's a space here, and it takes poor and it gives us Poorhouse. So if we change this here in the formula bar to say 11, it will give us E space Poorhouse. All right, yeah, so that's it. If we want to get only police from Metropolis, police is a 5 letter word. And if I say right, pardon me, right, equal to right, okay, Metropolis, and I want to pick out 5 characters, I have police. Okay, if I want to get out only melody, I will have, or let's even copy this and paste it here, right? I'll just change this to 6 instead of 5. Okay, and we have melody. So we can bring this down. If we only just want 6 characters from the right, we can just bring it down and we get what the 6 characters are. So this also applies to the color. So if we just want to get 5 characters from the right, all we would say is right, from color and black and white, I want 5 characters. Close the bracket. Oh, hi, here we'll have white. I'll bring it down, and voila, we have white, 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 color, color, white, color. Okay, so this can be super helpful for you in your analysis, in in trying to even create tables and charts or whatever it is, just to make your data analysis or whatever visualization you are doing more readable to your your audience. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two from this session, and we hope that you've you have been impacted enough to subscribe for our video, so for our channel. So please click the subscribe button below this video to be the first to get our new videos as soon as they drop on YouTube. Okay, please follow us on all our social media handles. At Twitter, we're at Accelerate. At Instagram, we're at Accelerate. At YouTube, of course, we're at Accelerate Services. All the links to our social media platforms will be left below this video. Okay, and also at the end of this video. Thank you so much, and do not forget to keep excelling with Accelerate. Cheers.